This is the second problem for the whiteboard station during the linear inequalities rotations. Again, very similar problem to everything that we've done. Hopefully you don't even need this help, but if you do, again, we have prices already. If we have prices, that means our variables will not be represented by how much something costs, because we already know how much something costs. We also know that this $400 represents our budget. That's as much as we can, I'm sorry, this is our goal, not our budget in this case, because we want to raise $400. So we're not limited, we want to make at least $400 or more. So it's a goal, just like we did in the t-shirt and keychain example. So we have a goal of $400. We're going to raise money by selling these tickets. If they buy them in advance, the tickets only cost $4. If they buy them at the door, then they cost $5. So, as we discussed, we need to set what the variables are going to be, what the description of the variable is. So, for example, in the keychain and t-shirt example, they were $10 and then $2 were the cost. So we knew variables had nothing to do with cost. So we figured out that the variables had to be the quantity of t-shirts that we needed to sell, the quantity of keychains that we sold. Had to do with how many, the quantity. So since we already know dollars in this example and dollars cannot be part of the cost, then it must be similar. We must need to know how many. So you need to create two variables. One variable will be how many of something. Another variable will be how many of something. I will give you a hint. In this one, it's a little tricky because the two variables are pretty similar in what they are. And then hopefully you should understand that the $400 is kind of the end result of the equation, and you want to be at least $400 or more than $400 as far as the money you raised. And the money you raised again is going to come from the price of each item and then how many of each item you sell. So hopefully you should be able to create the equation now.